You're welcome. This is News Live. Here's the headline. Employee unions push for higher pay under 8th Central Pay Commission. Indian jail for over 5 years in migrant smuggling case. Tamil Nadu ammonia gas leak. 7 women killed in gas leak in Tiruballur seafood factory. 7 killed, 3 injured in twin blasts in northwest Pakistan. Missile outbreak in Bangladesh claims 7 more lives. Death toll rises to 677. Pakistan issues war threat to India over industry. Israeli strikes in Gaza kill 6, including Al Jazeera cameraman, 2 children. Now the news and details. Employee unions push for higher pay under 8th Central Pay Commission. The 8th Central Pay Commission has completed the memorandum submission phase on June 15 and it is set to examine demands from central government employees and pensioners ahead of its final recommendations. The Commission, which began operations after the government approved its terms of reference in October 2025, has about 10 months remaining to finalize proposals. The Commission is expected to recommend revisions to salaries, pensions, and allowances for around 55 lakh serving central government employees and about 69 lakh pensioners, according to multiple reports. Central employee unions and associations focused their memorandum submission for a higher fitment factor, a substantial increase in the minimum basic pay, multiple reports said. Employee bodies also demanded a restoration of the old pension scheme in place of the national pension scheme. They also sought improvements in allowances such as HRE, risk pay, bonuses, leave benefits, and other retirement perks. The government announced a 2% hike in dearness allowance and dearness relief in January 2026, taking the overall rate to 60%. The center announced the dearness allowance twice in a calendar year, and the DA effective from July is typically announced in September and rarely in October. It will be determined using the All India Consumer Price Index for industrial workers data of May and June 2026. The 8th Pay Commission has already held consultations in Delhi, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad, Telangana, and Maharashtra, and conducted its first interaction with employee associations in Uttarakhand. Further visits are scheduled to Lucknow, Bhubaneswar, and Kolkata till July. Indian jail for over 5 years in migrant smuggling case. An Indian man who admitted smuggling migrants from the UK to France in the back of trucks has been jailed for more than 5 years by a court in southeast England. Jaskirat Singh, 25, was prosecuted by the UK's Crown Prosecution Service over his role in facilitating the illegal movement of non-British nationals between December 2024 and March 2026. Earlier this month, he pleaded guilty to conspiracy to facilitate illegal immigration. Singh, who was sentenced by the Canterbury Crown Court on Thursday, is believed to have earned around £185,000 through the illegal operations. Tamil Nadu ammonia gas leak. 7 women killed in gas leak in Tiruballur seafood factory. 7 women died during treatment on Sunday after being affected in a major ammonia gas leak at a private seafood processing unit in Manjangaranai near Periyapalayam, police said. According to Tiruballur District Collector S. Kavitha, 46 are being treated at Bell's Hospital and 21 at Venkateshwara Hospital. 9 of the most critically ill patients have since been mobilized via ambulances to the government Stanley Medical College Hospital in Chennai. 7 killed, 3 injured in twin blasts in northwest Pakistan. At least 7 people were killed and 3 others injured on Saturday in twin roadside blasts in Pakistan, west of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, police said. No group has claimed responsibility for it yet. The explosions occurred in Markavera area of the Bannu district. According to Bannu district police officer Yashir Afridi, the first explosion occurred when an improvised explosive device planted along a roadside detonated, striking a passenger van and killing 5 people on the spot. He said a second blast occurred shortly afterwards at some location, targeting people involved in rescue efforts. 2 people were killed in the second explosion, while a vehicle was also damaged. Measles outbreak in Bangladesh claims 7 more lives. Death toll rise to 677. As many as 7 children have died from measles outbreak in Bangladesh on Saturday, rising the total number of confirmed and suspected deaths to 677 since March 15 this year, amid an escalating health crisis in the country, local media reported. International Day of Yoga draws large crowd in Washington. Gunmen, hundreds of yoga enthusiasts gathered at the Lincoln Memorial on Friday morning as the Embassy of India marked the 12th International Day of Yoga, turning one of Washington's most iconic landmarks into a sprawling open-air yoga arena overlooking the National Mall. Against the backdrop of the Lincoln Memorial and the Washington Monument, participants spread colorful yoga mats across the Memorial Plaza and moved through a series of breathing exercise, stretches, and meditation sessions. The crowd included members of the Indian diaspora, local residents, yoga teachers, health enthusiasts, and first-time participants, many wearing commemorative T-shirts bearing the theme of this year's observation, Yoga for Healthy Aging. Pakistan issues war threat to India over Indus Treaty. Pakistan Defense Minister Khwaja Asif has issued a warning to India, saying Islamabad could resort to military action if its water security comes under threat. His remarks come as Pakistan grapples with a worsening water crisis more than a year after New Delhi suspended the long-standing Indus Water Treaty in the aftermath of Pakistan-sponsored Pahalgam terror attack. Tensions between 2 nuclear-armed neighbors escalated after a deadly attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam that killed 26 people. India, in response, suspended the 1960 Indus Water Treaty, a decision that will remain in effect until Pakistan stops funding cross-border terrorism. Under the treaty brokered by the World Bank, Pakistan is allocated roughly 80% of the Indus Water Basin, which sustains up to 80% of the country's agricultural land. Israeli strikes in Gaza killed 6, including Al Jazeera cameraman, 2 children. Israeli strikes in Gaza on Saturday killed at least 6 people, including 2 children and a cameraman with broadcaster Al Jazeera, according to Palestinian health officials. Thank you for being with us. This is News Live. Thank you all.